What's the name of the cow? Kuya Paul. Hi. Hi, cow cow. Look. I thought it was small, but when he got here, he's big pala. Oh, don't be maldito. Look. Hi, love. Oh, diba? Look. Maybe 1 year. If he eats a lot, he will grow very, very big. Kung mukhaon og damo, love, no. No. Look, the egg is 2. Unlike takdong before, his egg is 1 only. But this one is 2. Diba, oh? See, it's 2. Nah, it's 2. Hi, love. Hi. What is your name? Huh? Should I name you? I'm going to... Dali. Oh, this one is very mabait. See? Very mabait. See? Mabait that. Look. Dali. Mabait that. Oh, see? Mabait. See? Very good job. See? Good job. Okay.